shaking, your heart gets to pumping, your knees get to knocking, and your mind starts racing. It's a feeling like you never felt before. Have you coming back for more? But fever gonna get you, boy. But fever, have you praying to the Lord? That rack, that grunt, that step.
He's done.
Okay, you got him.
Got him.
Congratulations. Tillykke med Bjørn.
Så lykkes
Det er fandme godt klaret.
Og en brun en.
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh, fuck, I got the six.
That's good footage too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I got him in the camera, and I got the bear in the camera at the same time. Fuck.
Fuck, man.
Holy shit.
Hold. Okay.
I'm fucking, my knees are going like this.
Yeah, me too.
That's good.
Fuck.
He was bigger than one yesterday.
Yeah, yeah.
For sure.
Fuck. I was standing like this.
The wind was
Yeah.
was switching on us there.
How far was he? 40 yards?
No.
Not even.
Here, want me to pace it?
Huh?
I'll pace it.
Yeah.
He's dead. He's right here.
Yeah, for sure he is. For sure he is.
Okay, I need to settle down here for a second.
That 338.
Kæft, mand. Det er med godt. Ej. Så han tog kuglen, Erik.
Hvad?
Så han tog kuglen.
Men jeg stod og kiggede ind i kameraet. Jeg så, han gik op sådan her, ikke?
Ja, han sprang op sådan.
Ja.
Jeg hammer ham lige ind i kassen.
Godt skud.
Hvad?
Det var et godt skud.
Ja, det skulle man også skulle på den afstand.
Ja, der er alligevel længere væk.
Ja,
End jeg regnede
jeg
med.
rystede som inde i helvede.
Ja, jeg kan godt se, at jeg så på
Ja.
pipen. Jeg var lige ved at lige tage fat i mig.
Det er også derfor, jeg skruede den ned.
Ja.
46. Det er 40 meter.
Ja, he's bigger than I thought.
Her er 6,5 fod.
Skal vi se. Måske skrumper den lidt på, når vi kommer op, men nu må vi se.
Han er smuk som en drøm.
Ja, det er den virkelig. Jeg virkelig elsker de røde bjørne der.
Er der sindssygt, mand. Jeg kan ikke være mere lykkelig. Er der sindssygt.
Skal vi gå op og kigge på?
Han løber ikke ret langt. 20 meter.
Nej.
Ja, det er det måltid.
Solid 6-foot bear.
Yeah.
He's still twitching a little bit, so just give him a second.
Way the bullet went out. The bullet went out. Long block.
There's no blood trail.
Yeah, he's a nice bear.
Ja. Kæft, den er flot i farven, mand.
You did good.
Jeg skyder med spids lige nu. Det er udgangshul.
Ja.
Look at this.
No, Eric spotted him.
Ja.
I was too busy looking at the close stuff, and
Yeah.
he's starting far. He's a good young bear.
Ja, ja. He's nice. I love him.
Yeah, that's gonna be one hell of a rock.
That's a good sized pad.
Yeah.
Hold nu kæft. Jesus Christ.
He's young.
Yeah.
He's got no injuries. Good hair still.
Ja, ja, ja.
That's one thing I was a little thinking about with the weather.
Yeah.
He's got big feet.
Yeah, very big feet.
See, when I was looking at him from up top, I was like,
Look at that paw.
Yeah.
he's still got length, but he's got no depth.
Yeah, exactly. That's one hell of a beautiful coat.
It is.
Yeah.
It's sharp.
Yeah.
Not a bad first bear, huh?
Oh.
No, it'd be hard pressed to beat that.
Yeah.
That's a good color too.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
You know, if once he dries out a little bit, he'll be even lighter color.
Yeah.
Det var det, jeg sagde til dig. Dag 4.
Let's
I
go
told
get
him
the car.
day 4 is usually a lucky day.
All the photos. We can roll him down here and take some good photos.
Yeah, I'm just thinking where's a good spot.
I want a photo also when he here way.
Sure.
Ja.
Okay, I won't touch.
Ja.
Don't forget the car.
Ja. Du tager med mobiltelefonen.